Hello, dears, how are you? My days were dark and night so blue. My heart was broken before I met you. You took away all the suffering and pain, and you made my heart beat once, my dear. Again, words cannot express what I want to say, my baby, because I love you more every night and day. I always wonder how did I get so lucky? Just just wanna say please always be with me. It's only because of you, my baby. It's because of your love that I survive. Your love gives me a pleasant vibe. It makes me forget who I am. It makes me so glad and strong, my dear. Your love is my only need. I think I have done a good deed because I have you in my life. I have you in my life. I love you. If someone asks me what life means to me, then I would sit next to you, my baby. Pull you close to me. Pull you close to me. Put my arms around you and say proudly, this is my life, my baby. What I need to live has been given to me by earth, my dear. Why I need to live has been given me by you, my sweet dear heart.